How to undelete or restore deleted photos on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can undelete or restore the deleted photos on your iPhone device. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. If you want to restore or if you want to undelete the deleted photos on your iPhone, simply go ahead and open up the Photos app. Once you're here on this app, scroll down to the very bottom until you find the option here that says Utilities. Under it, you can see the recently deleted option. You want to tap on it. Then you want to open up the album. Now here it is locked, but once you open up the album, you'll be able to see every recently deleted pictures. So what you can do is, if it has not crossed 30 days, then you'll still be able to find it there. Then you can tap on it, or you can select multiple pictures from the recently deleted album, and then you can go ahead and select the restore option. So this is how you can undelete the deleted photos on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.